Hi dears, happy morning to you all. In today's class, we are going to start the new lesson, 17th lesson, Bones and Muscles. A very informative lesson. Okay, so in that lesson, we are going to see the topics. What are you made up of? Body movements, muscle power, healthy bones and muscle, and the posture. So these are the topics that we are going to learn in this lesson. Shall we start the class now? The first topic of the lesson is, what are you made up of? So this is a common question that arises in all our mind, right? So you know that our body is made up of internal and external body parts, right? So what are external body parts? The body parts that are visible externally are called as external body parts. Okay, so you know that what are the external body parts? Are eyes, nose, arms, legs. These all are external body parts. Okay, and what are internal body parts? The body parts that are hidden inside the body and not visible to us are called internal body parts. The examples you know, the heart, lungs, brain and the liver. Okay, so all these are the internal body parts that you have learnt in previous classes also, right? Beyond that, our body is also made up of other parts like bones, muscles and nerves. We all should know about what are bones and muscles. Okay, so when we touch our cheek, we feel so soft, right? At the same time, when you touch your elbow, we feel the hardness in nature, right? So the hard part of our body are nothing but the bones, and the soft parts are nothing but the muscles. Okay, the bones are white in color and the muscles are red in color. So look at this picture. So it is in the left side there is a caterpillar, and in the right side a boy, cats and the birds are there, right? So there are some difference between these two body structures, right? So when we touch the caterpillar, we feel so it is very soft, right? So at the same time, when we touch our body or the animal's body or the bird's body, we feel the hardness, right? Why it is so? Because in caterpillar there are no bones at all. Okay, so the caterpillar body is so soft. At the same time, the boy's body and the animal's body, so they are made up of very hard bones. Okay, so we feel more hardness in the boy's body as well as in the cat's body. At the same time, the bird's body is also made up of bones only, but the bones of the birds are very soft in nature. So they have the hollow bones, so they are not so hard. Okay, it is clear that the skin is the outermost layer of our body. The skin covers the bones and muscles. So inside the skin only we have muscles, nerves and bones. Okay, all this together make our body. Okay, so now we are moving to the skeleton. Look at the picture. So what is that? It is a skeleton. Okay, don't scare dears. It is nothing. It's a picture only. Okay, so what is a skeleton? So all our bones together make up a skeleton. Okay, clearly understood that all the bones in our body from the head till the toes together make up our skeleton. Okay, so look at the picture of the skeleton. So different names are given to different parts of the body. Okay, the skull is nothing but the head bones. Okay, and the shoulder bone is there, and the backbone is called as spine. Okay, and the chest bone, so that is called as ribs or rib cage. Okay, and the arm bones are there, and we have the hip bones and the leg bones are there, and we have the toes and fingers also. Toes and fingers also made of bones. Okay, so all these bones together it is called as skeleton. Okay, why do we need skeleton? Skeleton help us in various ways. The first one is skeleton gives our body shape. Okay, we all resemble the shape of our skeleton, right? And look at this tiger skeleton gives the body shape for the tiger. And look at this parrot skeleton gives the structure body shape for that parrot. Okay, so all the birds and animals, they're getting their body shape because of the skeleton only. So the second thing is skeleton help us to stand straight. Without skeleton, we cannot stand straight. Okay, and the third one is skeleton saves our delicate internal organs. You know about internal organs, right? So the brain is protected by the skull. Okay, skull is nothing but the head bones. So inside that the brain is protected, and the ribs protecting two internal parts, the heart and the lungs. Okay, and the spine is protecting spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord is nothing but a bunch of nerves. Okay, so it is very important thing that controls all our body actions. Okay, so now we reach the end of the class. So what did we learn today? So our body is made up of soft red muscles and hard white bones. The skin covers the bones and muscles. And we learnt about the skeleton also. So all the bones together make up our skeleton. So the skeleton gives our body its shape, right? And the skeleton help us to stand straight, and it is protecting the delicate internal organs also. That's what we all learned today. Okay, in the next class we'll learn about the second topic of the lesson, about the body movement. We'll learn in the next class. Okay, now it's time to say bye. We'll see in the next class. Take care. Bye.